Hi all, my name is Devakar and I am from the CyberCare YouTube channel. And as lot of students are requesting, today I'm going to create a video on how to install a vulnerable machine in VirtualBox so that you can do a safe practice. Fine. So the vulnerable machine we call as Metasploitable actually, and that is from Rapid7 organization, which is the same for Metasploit framework console creators. Fine. So Metasploitable 2 is the latest version. So this Metasploitable 2, whoever don't know what is this, Metasploitable 2 is a vulnerable machine through which you can test your hacking skills like system hacking and web application hacking with several web related things like DVWA, multi-day, and something lot of other things are available. Fine. Even system level vulnerabilities available, several open ports are there. You can test your Metasploit, uh, whatever commands you learned to test them, you can use that. Fine. So you can download this particular file from this link. You can see sourceforce.net. Fine. So it is Metasploitable 2. The latest one is Metasploitable 2 actually. Fine. So you click on it. So remember, Metasploitable 2 can be installed only in virtual machine. You cannot install this on host machine. Fine, because that is a VMDK file. Fine, virtual machine disk image file actually. So you can't install that on host. Fine. So I suggest install a virtualization software like either VirtualBox or VMware. Fine. So it's not com, it's .org. Fine. So install either of them actually. Here in my PC I've already installed VirtualBox. Fine. Installation is very easy. Download this one, double click on that and click on next until it finished. Fine. So then you can have like this. Just like that, come here the sourceforce.net and download the Metasploitable Linux 2 version. Fine. And I have that in my PC already. You can see it here. Fine. So I have downloaded the zip file. I guess it is available in here. So here Metasploitable Linux 2.0.0 zip file available. Fine. So if you extract that, you can see files like this, Metasploitable 2 Linux. Fine. There inside you can see a VMDK file here. Fine. So once you have extracted that, once you installed virtual machine software also like VirtualBox, then you click on new, and after new give a name. You can give any name you like. I am giving Metasploitable Metasploit Metasploitable, spelling mistake. Fine. Metasploitable. Then under type select Linux because that's a Linux machine. Then select 32-bit version of Ubuntu because that is a 32-bit version of the OS. Fine. So give a name, select type as Linux and select Ubuntu 32-bit as a version, and then you click on next. Okay, so what is telling? Okay, it's already available, it is telling. What I'll do, I'll just delete that because in my PC it's already installed, right? So let me delete that. For you, if you are doing it for first time, it may not ask like this. HS and VirtualBox, next, Metasploitable, I'll delete it. Fine. If you have this kind of duplicate entries, you should also delete it. Fine. I have installed for several times. For manual actually I created once, and for this also. Fine. Now if I click on next, it will work. See. So next, you should give sufficient amount of RAM for this operating system, just like any other OS. So I can give up to this green color, but to run Metasploitable 512 MB is enough because I don't have more. Fine. 512 MB is enough for that because it's terminal based. Fine. So you give whatever you want, but don't, make sure you don't exceed the green color area. Fine. You can't give either in the red area or in the whatever orange area or red area. You can only give in the green color area. So I'm giving 512 MB, then click on next. Here don't select the create a virtual hard disk, click on use an existing virtual hard disk. Fine, because we already have the hard disk file, right? So you just select use an existing hard disk file, and click on this yellow color folder icon, this one, click on it, and look at the file. Basically you may be looking at C like that, so find out where is the file is, like that. Fine, select the file and click on open. Fine, as you can see metasploitable.vmdk selected, you click on create button. Fine, so by this time your Metasploitable Linux will be installed. Fine, so what you have to do is just click on the start button, so automatically your Metasploitable Linux will start. Fine, and if you want to install Kali Linux also as an attacker machine, please refer to my other video, which I will place link over here, left corner actually. So you click on that and you find out how to install Kali Linux in your virtual box. And if you are having network level issues like class A IP address issues, I will keep another link here. Fine, top right hand side. So you click on that link and you just find out how to solve the issue. Fine, because I'm not going to discuss about that in this video. Fine, so your Metasploitable is running right now. Find out the IP address using network scannings or other tools actually. That videos how to do network scanning also we have in my channel. Fine, so if you like this video, you may also like my other videos, so just go to youtube.com/TheCyberCare. Fine, and then you can have all the videos at one place. Fine, around 50 plus videos are there for ethical hacking tutorials. You can just go on there, and for you Metasploitable 2 default username is msfadmin and password also msfadmin only. Fine, for default username. Fine, so once you click on login, basically it will give error for me because I have changed the passwords. Fine, I have kept it like root and tour because msfadmin I don't like that. Fine, remember username is msfadmin, password is msfadmin. I will write here also. Wait, come on notepad. Username for default download is msf. This is TheCyberCare and I am from the CyberCare YouTube
Password
channel.
is msfadmin.
So
Fine.
for this session I'm going to tell you how can you create fully undetectable
after logging in,
antivirus
you find out
using
what is the vulnerabilities we have, and then you just hack them using your Metasploit framework hacking knowledge. And like and subscribe. If you have any doubts, keep commenting on that. Fine, so that's all for this video, and we'll see again on new other video. TheCyberCare signing off. Bye bye, happy hacking.